Okay, so now we're gonna go with 220 grit, and this is your finer, and this is for more like the step you use before you actually do the finishing, or before you stain. So this is your finishing. You can even go up to 400 if you have like your cabinet doors and stuff that you're trying to refinish. Then you can go up to 400 because it just gives you even a finer finish. So we're just gonna repeat 220. I'm gonna put it on my mouse pad. And we're gonna just go like this. Again, just going with that grain. Get that all nice and smooth. And it doesn't look like it to the eye sometimes, so it makes a difference if you stain it or sand it to a finer grit. But you can actually feel the difference. And it's so much, that almost makes it softer and it's not so harsh of a look. Okay, look at that. Wipe it down again. And we're gonna be ready for staining.